Hi everyone, this is the email list, the mailing list of Notmuch, which is released at version 0.37 now by David Bremner. It is a great library for indexing, searching, reading and tagging large collections of email messages in maildir or MH format. And it uses the Xapian library to provide fast full text search with a convenient search syntax. All of that is true. I love Notmuch myself. I use it for more than a decade now. I use it within Emacs, and most people don't want to use Emacs. So what you see here right now is a demo of the Notmuch backend database in a new social media client called ElMail, because it is written in the programming language Elm and is about email, using email for social media. So ElMail is currently a pre-release to invite testers, collaborators and sponsors. And if you consider using and testing ElMail for your mail, please do not hesitate to contact me if you expect buggy internal testing and if you want to specifically shape and advise the user experience. That would be great. I hope you can tolerate bugs in the current state of affairs and breakage in the front end, but only in the front end. So the back end is using Notmuch, and I am using my own live email to test for this package. So moving and deleting is not even supported. So all emails, I can show you a little bit around. How is that done? It's done with maildir. So let's search for maildir and actually search within not Notmuch, but ElMail. ElMail. I need to write it lowercase. So ElMail is a browser messenger which is backup and synchronizing your mail accounts, currently only with offline emac in maildir format. So one file per message, very convenient. You can put that on your own hard drive in your own computer. Then you can tag and organize your mails and notes with the NOTMUCHJL database, and you can search your mail archive for words, persons, tags, and so on, with logical expressions, of course. You can write notes and send mail with your email accounts. And in principle, Notmuch supports end-to-end encryption. It is untested on my end. All of this is using the NOTMUCHJL Julia package, which is open source, and is exposing the Notmuch commands to with a REST API. So you can query it from a front end and not just consume the Notmuch results, the email search results with Emacs, because Emacs is a user interface that is not really mobile ready. Let me put it that way. Notmuch itself uses this maildir standard, which can be synchronized with an IMAP server. So basically you can just plug Notmuch and ElMail into your email infrastructure, synchronize your accounts, create a backup locally on your computer, and from that backup you can serve your mobile device with basically your own social media. So down there you can see this is the URL that is pointing to a certain search, and I suggest you try to use searches instead of channels or groups in social media to just have a very nice messaging experience. You can have multiple accounts but no password yet, so there are many limitations, and as I said, it's a pre-release, an early pre-release right now. It supports tagging, obviously, so this is the unread tag, and I can remove the unread tag, and I can re-add the unread tag. This is also tagged as a documentation, so you can see, let me just show it up there. You get counts of all the tags that you press. So within ElMail and maildir, we found 3 messages. One of them is the documentation, 2 of them is not the documentation, 3 of them are unread. And I could mark searches and threads with these tags at any time. This is enough from me now. Hope you're all doing good and continue your great work. Hallelujah.